I have to replace the core support on the passenger side. I've already drilled one off of another car, drilled out all the spot welds. This one's already ripped a couple spot welds off for me. I've already center punched these. And what I'm going to drill them with is what I had was a couple drill bits that I broke off drilling the other one out, and I found out that if the drill bit's really short like that, it works better. So I just ground a tip on the edge with the grinder, and I'm going to try drilling a couple of these out. I've got some spot weld drill bits, but I'll be bringing them out later. I just want to make sure I hit these things good on center. Drill down into them a little bit with this, and then I'll bring out the spot weld drill bit. And the good thing about cutting them off short like this, using broke off bits, is you can put a lot of pressure on it, not have to worry about breaking the bit. Even using the cordless drill, I can get straight on that one. Can't get straight on this one, so I'm gonna have to pull the front bumper off. Yeah, I was kind of thinking the cordless drill body might be a little thinner, give me a little room against the bumper, but it wasn't. So back to drilling. It'll make it easier to weld it back in anyway and clean everything up with that out of the way. And of course it wanders off center, so I have to there we go, that's better. Now let's see if we can pop some of them loose. I've already got a couple loose on the back side over here. Good thing is I'm not trying to save this piece, so I don't have to worry too much about mangling it up. I missed that one by a little bit. Oh, there we go. Look at that. Damn. I hit every one of those almost on center. As soon as that one right there popped, they all came loose. All right, one mangled up part. The wreck broke the pressure switch off the AC line, bent the line down here, so I got another line to put in it. Also broke the alternator. I got another one of those. But what I'm going to look at in a minute here, I had it taped up while it was stored, is how you release these catches, because that goes behind the motor back there. Well, it's all welded on, painted up. AC lines are run through the right holes. Now it's time to put the radiator in. Took the upper core support out of what I bought for a parts car, but decided I'm not going to strip it down for a parts car. It's in pretty good shape, and if you'll notice something different about that car than this car. No sunroof. Frame's pretty good. Underneath it's nice and straight, no rust, so I've decided I'm not going to strip it down. It's a GT and I got to put a new motor in it or something, but it's not going to the scrapyard. So the only thing I've stolen out of it is the upper core support and the radiator. And this gives me a good opportunity to do a video on how to put coolant in a 2ZZ motor and get the air out, because you see that question asked a lot.